To successfully change your life, first you need to start with a goal. Then we get to the plan. Just allowing your mind to be free to think about, what do I want? If I had a magic wand, what is it that my heart desires? Your craziest dreams, your wildest fantasies, try to write it down because they're yours. Yours are different than mine. Mine are different than somebody else's. God's put our desires and our dreams in our heart. Everybody has a unique set of dreams, desires, goals, purpose. And so the first step is to have that goal identified. And then once the goal or goals are identified, then we start with a plan. And little by little, like I said, a consistent, persistent effort, little by little, you start making progress toward those goals. And sometimes you may think the goal was here and then it may shift, but at least it'll start the process of change and the process of motivating yourself to find your purpose and reach those desires that you have.